Testosterone Deficiency Natural Solution. Hypogonadism. Testosterone hormone is vital for a male's overall health and potency. During young age, secretion of this hormone brings puberty in a boy. When this hormone gets produced and released in the blood, boys begin to have sexual fantasies, attractions and thoughts. Testicular enlargement takes place after secretion of this hormone and bodily hairs begin to grow. Once this hormone stabilizes in the body, it establishes proper testicular functions, and the production of matured sperms begins in a young male's body. Effects of testosterone hormone deepen male's voice and keep muscle energized and high on endurance, which provides a carefree attitude to males. The risk-taking nature of males is primarily attributed to the activities of the testosterone hormone. It keeps a male in a positive state of mind and looks at things positively. A low level of this hormone casts adverse effects on a male's physical, mental, and sexual health. The biggest problem is that numerous causes can cause a drop in the level of this hormone. In males, the level of this hormone is at its peak around the age of 20 years. It is the period when boys are most keen to gain sexual experience and do not fear or care much about any threat. But after this age, there is a constant and regular decline in the level of this hormone every decade. Although the level of this hormone does not ever reach zero, the reducing levels show their effects on the health and reproductive system. The sudden drop in the level of this hormone produces frustrating symptoms. These reduce a male's working efficiency and make him tired after mild strenuous activities. Males often complain about their inability to exercise longer and muscular atrophy. A low level of this hormone can take a male into depression by promoting negative and anxious thoughts in the mind. In this video, you will know the best natural solution for testosterone deficiency.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any all-natural health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Natural solution. Musli Kaunch Shakti capsules naturally and safely increase testosterone in men. These are highly acclaimed natural remedies for low testosterone levels. Bombax malabaricum used in these pills is a powerful anti-aging. This herb eliminates weaknesses and debilities which come along with age, slowing down systems, reducing the level of energy, and weakening organs are signs of aging. Musli Kaunch Shakti capsule delays the process of aging, but it is believed that this pill can reverse signs of aging to make a person energized, strong, and healthy like a young male. Musli Kaunch Shakti capsule energizes the male body by supplementation and higher energy production. It removes deficiencies and treats disorders that reduce energy production. If you want to know how to get Musli Kaunch Shakti capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. The effects of the Musli Kaunch Shakti capsule provide higher support to all the body systems and improve vitality. Musli Kaunch Shakti is a perfect hormonal balancer and treats disorders that slow down glandular functions and create a hormonal imbalance. This pill is a rich source of antioxidants and curbs free radicals and metal ions in the body. These rejuvenate organs and protect cells from damages to boost up vitality and delay the process of aging. World's finest testosterone booster pills.
100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Musli Kaunch Shakti capsules from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.